First, I'd like to say thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't. And today I'm going to take a look at another XTOOL product that I purchased with my own funds from Amazon. It was on sale, and let's get to it. So I've somehow turned into quite the XTOOL fanboy. This AnyScan connects Bluetooth with your phone or tablet. Pretty cool. What I'm looking at today is the XTOOL D6 that I just purchased off of Amazon. When I say I've become a fanboy, if you look at my previous purchases, I have their put these 4 sensors in the girl truck. They work perfectly. Again, this is the XTOOL Bluetooth scanner. And this is their tire pressuring monitoring system programming tool. All of them have been great products, and I've had very good response whenever I've inquired to the XTOOL customer service folks. And as we all know, that can be everything, right, when you're buying a product. So to get back to this D6, if you use one of these special functions, whether it be to realign your steering, or most recently in my case, bleeding the brakes on my 2018 Dodge Ram. It has a brake hydraulic control unit. The old days of just, going back and gravity bleeding them at the wheels, you literally, this pump bleeds the brakes on every corner. And you need a scanner like this to do that. So I look forward to using this, and I'll come back. I'm not really that much into unboxing videos, but people seem to like to know what's in the box. So we got a manual, certified testing, is well packed. The XTOOL scan tool itself, always fun to peel off that protective layer, which is being stubborn in this case. What do we got here? Pretty basic. Connects to the OBD and connects to the back of the monitor here. There's also a USB charging cable, because this is rechargeable, which is great because a lot of these only get power from the OBD2 port. I know my Altel is that way. So you have to plug the thing into power to be able to access it. With the XTOOL, right, it's rechargeable. It's got a power button right there. And I haven't charged it yet. You just watch me take it out of the box. So well, it is actually booting up. So it does have some battery life in it. So I'm going to take this out and hook it up to the car here in a second. It will join to my Wi-Fi. One of the absolute musts with any scanner that you buy, make sure that it includes lifetime software updates. Otherwise, you'll be spending 1/3 of the cost of the scanner every 3 years to update it. So I'm just going to join it to my Wi-Fi here real quick. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to run this through the updates, and I'll come back. This is the 2025 version of the XTOOL D6. Brand new. I just bought it off of Amazon. First thing out of the box, You connect it to Wi-Fi. The best thing about this device is that it does include free lifetime updates, and having the capability of doing all these special functions. Seems very responsive. And this is the first time I'm using it, so it's going to update the firmware. So it looks like it's moving pretty quick, so instead of ending the video, I'm just going to let it go. See how fast that was? This is my wife's 2009 Dodge Dakota. You can see it pulled the VIN. And now it's scanning all the various modules. Yes, I'm very impressed with how quick this is. So I'm just going to clear all these codes. These are codes that I know what they are because, as you can see, I put an aftermarket radio in. So this is the XTOOL OBD2 scanner, model D6. I like it.